What's up, YouTube? I'm sitting here with all this favor on this table. There's more favor over there. There's more favor down here. Don't show this because there's trash down here too.
Okay.
But there's more favor down here. All these shoes that I've been getting, just nothing but favor. And let me tell you, though, what I think this favor comes from. You ready, Haley?
I'm ready.
2 Timothy 1:7. Grandma says she liked this. I'm going to give it one more go. God will never give you a spirit of fear, but the Holy Spirit gives us mighty power, love, and a sound mind.
Right.
And through that, through receiving those things from the Holy Spirit, we also find favor.
Right.
And now let's get on to one more thing: giveaways. As I'm recording this video, you may not see this before the giveaway video, the first official giveaway video comes out. We're going to give away a shark slide. This is a shark slide. Go back and watch Haley's video where she reviewed the shark slide. Most of y'all probably have already seen the shark slide video. Thanks for watching and all the support you gave me on that. And but very, very soon there'll be a giveaway video. It'll be open for a couple weeks. Just like that video, comment on that video, make sure you're subbed, and follow me on Instagram, and that'll enter you for the chance to win those. I'll get them shipped. I'm going to buy them through Amazon, the same place that Haley bought them. Some of the people on that video that are saying that they ordered shark slides and they're taking forever. I don't know where you ordered yours.
It's because you're buying them off that cloud website.
Yeah.
Don't buy them off. It's the same. No, I'm. Oh, okay.
We'll talk about specifics. I put the Amazon link in the other video.
I'm just trying to help some people out.
These videos will be coming out soon, if not already. One of them might be out. If we can get as much support on these videos as we did on the shark slide video, we'll give one of these away too. So be on the lookout for those. Go find these videos, smash the like button, share them with your friends. All right, now we're back to today's unboxing. This shoe was shipped to my dad's house and my parents' house, and they've had it for I don't know, several days, and I just got it from today. We've just been recording videos like crazy today. We've recorded a lot yesterday too, didn't we?
We did.
Yeah, we've been recording a lot. This will be the last one I think that we record for a minute though. Actually, till the little ones come in, we'll record a separate video for those. These are really nice, by the way. If you haven't gone back and watched it, if you haven't seen this video yet, go watch it. These are pretty nice.
You didn't even cut it all the way.
Try not to mess my box up.
So if you would have messed your box up, it would have been messed up on the other side.
I want to mess this box up.
I know.
Right. Well, these just came in. I've seen plenty of these. I've seen them.
Is this a Jordan 11?
This is. I've seen them all over the place. I saw these originally about a week before they came out at Memory Lane, and I noticed how great the patent leather was on these. Like, I don't know about quality, but they just look great. I tried to trade my Yeezy 350 blue tints for it, which are worth more, but they wouldn't do it. Like the aftermarket price on these was less, like by I don't know, like $80,
Jeez.
And they wouldn't do it. Which I'm glad they didn't, because I got these for retail, and then I paid a little bit more than retail because I had to pay shipping on even though it came from Wish Atlanta.
Oh, I know what these are now.
Huh?
I know what these are now.
Oh, good.
I couldn't think about it for a long time. I'm sitting here like, I know they're 11s, but what is the...
So Hesper already got hers too. We got those on release day. I hit on them at Hibbett. So I've seen these shoes a plenty. This is mine, and I'm most likely keeping these. You saw the video, hopefully. If not, go back and watch it on what were the other ones? Pure Violets.
Yes.
We had both of our pairs in the Pure Violets. I got one pair that was messed up. The patent leather had not a creak or a crack.
Like a scuff.
It wasn't even a scuff. It was like
a hair or
something. It was like the color was messed up underneath the outer layer of polyurethane, whatever that top patent leather finish is. And it was just like a hairline piece of it. Like there was a hair drawn across it or something. I don't know. But anyways, I had both of those. And then when I found these were coming out and I saw these in person at Memory Lane, I was like, nope, we're not keeping those. We're getting these. And Hesper's worn these several times already. So I'm excited to see my pair. These are black. So no, they're not all black. So we're going to get rid of this paper. Let's go ahead and take this out of here so it doesn't scuff us up. Remember, take this out. If the shoe is not completely black, take it out because this will scuff your shoes up. Trash.
Smell them.
These don't smell as good, I don't think.
But smell them.
Not quite as good, but they smell good.
I know.
They're better than the 4s. They're better than these.
To be honest, I'm pretty sure when the only person that I did this to was Cam, because I know he probably wasn't going to say anything about me being weird. I'm pretty sure I smelled them when I was checking his pair out. Yes. Pretty sure I smelled it.
At least you didn't smell like dirty sauce. Yeah, Cam, if you watch his videos, I was behind you at
Yeah, it was
DTLR at Cumberland today. And like normally you're dripping some nice shoes, and you're dressed decently, I guess. Man, you were wearing some dingy, nasty socks and some kind of trash slides that were too small for your feet. Like, get it together, bro. Right.
These are all fun and jokes. We're not actually being.
They are, yeah. But you should put some things up. So, can we get some close
I just got it focused, and you moved.
Where you can see the.
Oh yeah.
Like it's like tumbled underneath, and then you have the iridescent shine and different colors coming through. This is great patent leather.
That's beautiful.
I mean, this is I don't know if it's great leather, but I like the way that it looks. It's fairly thin cut patent leather, probably typical for most Jordan 11s. I've seen 11s with thicker. I did not have the highs of these. I don't think I've ever even had. I've never held the highs. What I've heard is the upper on these is not as good as the leather on the highs. But this is pretty nice. Have you worn these? You haven't worn them yet, right? Yes, you felt them plenty, right?
Well, I haven't actually tried, because usually when I felt them, I was just checking someone out trying to hurry.
So feel this too, though, because normally the tongue is going to be softer. Like, it's pretty nice. I like it.
I do like it, yeah.
Most people, aren't a fan of lows. I like 11 lows and I like 13 lows a lot. So.
Do you even have 13 lows?
I have had 13 lows. I don't right now. This is plastic on here. You see it?
Yes.
Like that's glued. I guess that's glued. I don't know what else it could be. And then that's an embossed, or that's not embossed. That's a plastic Jumpman on the back too. So it's not stitched. This is more OG with a stitched Jumpman here. Obviously this isn't a low. And that's like
embroidered, or like a sticker. It's like a sticker kind of.
It is a sticker, and so is this, but this is like just
like a thin sticker.
Just paint.
Oh.
But it's a sticker, but it's just ink. This is plastic. Here are the lows, the Legend lows, which are the same as these. These are embroidered and a sticker. Wow. This is both plastic. I don't know what I like better. If this rolls down a little bit.
Plastic.
Yeah, I think so, but this is OG. And this is OG, and I think if this was red or white, you got to be able to see that 23. Seeing that 23 is important to me, which is part of the reason why I haven't gotten a Concord lately, because the latest version of Concourse didn't have a 23. Do you know what they had, Haley?
A Jumpman.
No, that would have been worse. They all have Jumpman though.
They had.
What was Michael Jordan's other number?
A 4.
Almost.
I don't have any
45.
idea. Oh, I thought it had something to do with a 4, but I didn't know if it was in the tens place or the ones place. I had no idea. I just knew a 4 was in it. So I just said 4. What's that insole? Boom. What? There's like a bubble.
Yeah. All right. This is actually good. We pulled this one. This is the one that had the, what was it called?
Floppy polyurethane.
Ortholite.
Oh.
No. Dream Cell.
Dream Cell.
We might have to see if this will go on here. I actually think that they are interchangeable.
Oh, that's awesome.
We're gonna make another video on this.
Oh.
Come back, watch this video. You'll see what we do. Because this is, I think, trash.
Trash can water.
We're gonna make that video in a minute. All right.
In a minute.
Yes.
Oh.
Let's get back to this though. So, I'm gonna keep these. Like, there's no way I'm not going to. I've got my white ones here, and I wear these quite a bit. You see, this is from driving. This is just an unfortunate byproduct of having a gas bill. All right, what else? Oh, what do you have to do to every Jordan?
Tap them with your nail.
Nice.
That was beautiful.
So we were at Plato's Closet today, and I'm pretty sure it was supposed to be one of these.
It kind of looked like it.
It did, and it even had red here. It was a smaller size, and this was really, really fine. This is what I looked at. Really, really fine grain here. So, but it was a small size, so maybe that was supposed to be, but it also felt kind of soft. There's no soft here. But also it had like fuzz up here. It wasn't leather. It was fuzzy.
Ew.
Yeah. You don't remember? You saw it, right?
I didn't look at it up close.
Come on, that's what we do.
Well, not me. I was looking for
pay
clothes.
Attention to shoes. One thing I noticed when I was just glancing at this is This is really wide up here, but it's wide on these two. It'll be much wider than this. You know.
No.
This
This
is
looks.
narrow. This is narrow.
Oh, that. I thought you
don't
were
know
saying
why.
the shoe in
It's
general.
just something I noticed. No. Just
I was gonna say because
the
I think
space between the laces.
oh, I was gonna because what I was saying or about to say was that I think that's why I like 4 so much because they're so like wide and they don't feel tight on my feet at all.
Yeah, right.
And they're big and clunky.
I might have to wear these. I don't know, man. I've got so many new shoes to wear. I don't know what I'm gonna wear.
Oh man.
I don't know what I'm gonna wear. All right. Let's see. I do like this. I like the way this looks on foot, on my feet at least. And I like the way these feel. These laces are a little short because that's as much as I can tie them. Mm-hmm. And it's about to let go. These laces might be a little bit longer, maybe. But do you know why these laces look like this?
No.
Like this too. Same thing. Why do they look like this?
I don't know.
This is supposed to look like a basketball net.
What?
This big, thick strings like a basketball
That is
net.
so cool. I did not know that.
Now you do. When I was little and I had my first pair of these when I was in 6th grade, whether it was this, you can't really see it on the shoe, so I'm going to use this one just to tell the story. This, we didn't even, half of us didn't even know what this was. It was so hard to read what that was.
That's kind of like me with the PlayStation symbol. I did not know it was a PS.
Haley told me that today. I was like, yeah. And what about this? Can you read this? Or is there words?
Hold on, I can't. Zoo. That's all I see. Zoo.
Not at all.
I don't know.
Jumpman.
Huh?
J-U-M.
Oh, Jumpman. Wait, I'm gonna get the last part. U-O-R. Oh, Jordan. Jordan.
Jor. Wait, I don't know what it is. Jordash? Jordan.
Oh my gosh.
So you can't really see it on this, but yeah. But when I was
That
your
was
age,
funny.
I think I had them for months before I was like, oh, that's his Jumpman Jordan.
Why didn't they just put it
I
the
thought it
normal
was just like
way,
some
though?
kind of designs, but they are hard to read, so I'm not going to give you too hard of a time on that. The PS, that's a different story, but so you just can't hardly see it on this. But I like the hits of red, like this hit of red, very important on this. I'm not big on the color red, but you can hardly see this color, this red. You'll hardly be able to see this one, and really on foot, you're not going to be able to see that, but at least you can see it here, and I think that's why I wish this was red. Just gives it a little more hit. But maybe it's really just because.
It's just whatever that is, stitching or something. Oh yeah, it's just. Oh, that's cute. I mean, it's not here. Anyone's gonna see it. It's just cute.
Inspired by the most historical season, led by the greatest player ever. The most historical season. These are the 72 and 10s. That was their record for the year, and I think they didn't win the title that year. I don't know. But 72 and 10, 72 wins, 10 losses. That's a pretty big deal. I don't know if it's still the record, but it's still a big deal. That's what we're still making. They're still making 72 and 10s. This colorway was made in honor of the high colorway of this. The high version of this colorway was made in honor of the 72 and 10. Man, I just can't get enough of that pattern. Like, it looks good.
It does look really good.
Does. Yeah. Like the outsole on this. Milky hopefully won't get yellowed as quickly because it's already yellow-ish. And I love the way this outsole looks. It's just always been my favorite outsole because it's on my favorite shoe. The 11. Not this particular one, but the 11. So I'm happy with these. These definitely staying here. Except I'm going to see if I can put this in the 4. Stay tuned.
Tell your grandma.
Check out for that video, though. Be on the lookout for this video because we're going to see if we can make the 4s even more comfortable with another shoe you might want. And you can just switch them back and forth because I'm pretty sure this fits, but we'll see. Yeah, tell your grandma because these are some lows, Grandma. What do you think about these lows? We might have to get these for Grandma.
Maybe.
We can find them. They're all over.
I was gonna say they have like 50 million pairs of Foot Locker.
Did you say they just got how many more pairs?
24.
I thought it was more than that. No, okay, 24 is still a lot. But these are still coming into stores, apparently. So maybe we'll have to get Grandma these because they're lows. So Grandma, tell us what you think. And tell other grandmas if they should be dripping these. I mean, it's pretty too, right?
It is.
And she doesn't crease her shoes. She walks very delicately.
That is such a good word.
Delicate?
For grandma, yes.
Oh, yeah, she's delicate. What else? Smash the like button. We told you all the giveaway stuff at the beginning, right? Oh, most valuable sub giveaway. We got 2 small giveaways going. Most valuable sub giveaway is going to win pretty much the shoe of their choosing. XLX, MXH, better like start looking for the September timeframe. That's probably when we'll hit. Unless these Minecraft videos do really well, get a lot of subs, we'll probably hit 2,000 subs by September at least. So be looking at what you want, and we'll see if we can get it for you. Hopefully it's something I don't already have. Like try to make it something I don't already have, because that way I can make a video on it and then send it to you. I think he's where did I say? Not Europe, but pretty much Europe. England. Yeah, I think he's in England. So
I wonder if he has an accent.
I'll ship it across the pond to you. And what I really like, X, tell me if you're willing to do this. I'd really like that when
if you have an accent.
If you're the MVS, which right now you are, if you're crowned the MVS at the 2,000 sub giveaway, I would really appreciate it if you, when I send you the shoe, take a video
of yourself with your accent,
with your shoe. Do a review, your own review on the shoe, and I'll put it in. I'll put it on YouTube. That would be awesome. Like,
oh yeah.
I mean.
Hello everyone.
Al Fantastico. I would love for you to do that too.
Who?
Al Fantastico's who I sent who won my 500 sub video. The other dude, I can't remember his name. Yeah, I can't remember his name. He contacted me a couple times, and this is like I just got contacted. I don't know how long. It was fairly recently that the other guy received his shoes. Both of those went overseas, and they took like weeks to get there.
Jeez.
But the other guy contacted me, said he got his too, so I'm glad they both got theirs. Anyways, I'd love to see a video of the most valuable sub with their shoe. So,
yeah.
Let's get there. We're almost there. So, like I said, tell your grandma. And I'll see you next time.
You're so pretty.
Say bye.
Shoes. Oh! Shoes. And I like shoes.
Fire! It's so cute.